Greg Marchand here, educate your customers. Well, duh, Greg, we do that at the service counter every single day. Well, you do, but that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is it's such a challenge to sell maintenance, automobile maintenance. You see, until my car breaks down or I have a funny noise or a funny vibration or a light comes on, it doesn't affect me. But as soon as one of those things happens, it affects me. And so maintenance is hard to sell because dirty brake fluid, dirty transmission fluid doesn't affect me. All right? So I don't connect future breakdown with maintenance today. But if you set up an email drip campaign with short videos, think Insta Reels, think YouTube Shorts, think videos like this that your technicians do, that your owner does, that even a third party does around maintenance, and you put out a drip campaign either on social media or email, now when you make those pre-book calls, those you get the next appointment calls, you call the customer up and you say to them, hey, I don't know if you saw on Instagram that video we just put out about the importance of transmission service. I noticed you said no thank you to a transmission service the last time you were in. Can I go ahead and add that to your oil change appointment that I see you set for whatever it is? All right? Think about creating an education program for your customers using social media and using email drip campaign. Keep up the great work and never stop learning.